Two cannabis dealers from Tripura were caught by the Assam police while smuggling cannabis in outside state in a creative way. 51 kg of cannabis was recovered from them. Both smugglers were arrested by the Assam Churaibari Watch Post police at the incident. The cannabis smugglers of the state has taken up various innovative ideas to smuggle cannabis in outside state. As such, again, two cannabis dealers from Tripura was caught by the Assam police while smuggling cannabis in outside state in a creative way. According to the details of the incident, the Assam police working at the Churaibari police watch post on the Assam-Tripura border on Friday morning seized a cargo Tata Magic vehicle bearing TR01V1873 number. Later, after searching the car, 51 kg of cannabis and 18 packets inside the buckets were recovered. Its black market value is approximately 10 lakh rupees. The driver was arrested along with the recovery of cannabis. Two persons were arrested in this incident.
एक नंबर हाँ ये साइड कर दे 10 दिखाई दे रहा है
A case under NDPS section has been registered against the arrested car driver in Assam, Bazarishwara police station. Assam police handed over the arrested car driver to Karimganj court on Friday. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.